Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your academic resources with JSTOR, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your academic resources with JSTOR, begin by accessing the JSTOR website. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to enter your credentials. If you are affiliated with an institution, use your institution's login credentials. If you do not have an institutional login, you may create a personal account. To create an account, click on the register link. Fill out the required information, including your name and email address. Once you complete the registration form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to activate your account. After activating your account, return to the JSTOR login page. Enter your email and password to log in. Upon logging in, you will have access to JSTOR's resources. To configure your academic preferences, navigate to the My Account section. In this section, you can manage your saved items and search history. You may also set up alerts for new publications in your areas of interest. To do this, find the Alerts option and select Create Alert. Choose the specific topics or titles you wish to receive notifications. After saving your preferences, you'll receive updates directly to your email. If you're looking for specific resources, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your research topic and hit enter. Refine your search results using the filters on the left side of the page. You can filter by item type, publication date, and subject. Once you find relevant articles or books, you can save them to your account. Click on the Save button next to the resource you want to keep. To access saved resources later, return to the My Account section. JSTOR also offers citation tools for easy referencing. When viewing an article, look for the Cite option. Select your preferred citation style from the list provided. Copy the citation or export it directly to your reference management software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.